Hi, Keith and Sophia here from Target Property Spain with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Sophia, what have you got for me today?
Today, okay, can I bring my car with me to Spain?
Can you bring a car to Spain? Okay, simple answer is yes. If your car is coming from the EU, good news is it's pretty straightforward, really. You just have to make sure the car's roadworthy, registered with the Spanish authorities, and within 6 months, you can only have it for 6 months without slapping on Spanish plates. Okay, so after 6 months, you need those Spanish plates. If it's from outside the EU, it's a little more tricky because you've got to look at duties and taxes to pay. So again, I'd advise getting a Gestor, the Spanish admin superheroes, to handle all that for you.
Yeah.
Of course, if the car's more than 4 years old, you'll need an ITV, which is the Spanish equivalent of an MOT. Once it passes that, you register it with the authorities, and then within 6 months, get Spanish plates on. So simple answer is whether you're from inside or outside the EU, yes, you can bring your car here, but you need to get everything sorted with Spanish plates after 6 months. That's all from us for today, and we'll catch you next time.